Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, regular Sudoku, a Sudoku medium. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, June the 9th, 2021, we have here the second regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Yes, this will be number 2918. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. So if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes. 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. All right. Let me scan the puzzle. I see 4 ones. So I can start with the 1. I see 4 nines. I can start with the 9s. Let me see. I see 4 fives, so I can start with the 5s. Oh, right. So let me pick 1. Let me see the 9. The 9 in the last column. The 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. We have a 9 in this row, and 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. And now, I cannot continue with the 9. Yeah. Let me go to the number 1 then. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. All right. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 5 then? How about the 5? 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row. The only place for the 5 should be there. And then, how can this be? Yes, in this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. There 5, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, the 5 in the second column, and so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about, let me go back to the 9, check the 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. No. How about the 1, 1, 1? No, 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 no. Okay. This column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this column should be there. All right. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. Okay. 3, 6, 8. Remember this? 3, 6, 8. Okay. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. How about the number 3 8s? Okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, yes. 8, 8, 8, 8. Well. The 2 in this row, the 2 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Okay. Okay. 3 missing numbers now. In the middle a row, one of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here or there. We see another 4 there, no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now, the 1 and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and the 6. Need to wait. How about this first column? 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 7. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number 2? Okay. 5. Okay. Do I have all? No, not all the 9s. 9. Yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Yeah. Let me see. 5. Yeah. Need to fill some numbers. Yeah. Let me do this, otherwise it's taking too long. So we have an 8 in the third column, 8 in that column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. We have more sixes. No, 6, 6, 3, and an 8. Yeah. 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, 2 and 8. The other pair in this column should be the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 1 or 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 3 again. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, so we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5, 5, 3, and 6. Okay. 7, 5, and 6. Do I have all the ones? 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Now, let me see. 3, 6, 6, and 8. 3, 6, 8. I remember those 3 boxes. 3, 6, 8. So the other 2 numbers should be the 4 and the 2. No, yeah, 4 and 2. 4 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. Alright. 2, 2, 4, 4. Okay. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in that box. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 6. Ay, the 4. I need a 4. Come on, 4. 4. How about this row? 2, 8, 2, 8, 3, and a 7 is missing. Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Okay, so we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9. So the 9 goes there. Alright, now we have a 7 here. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Okay, this is a 6. Okay. Then 7, 7. Okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Do I have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright, now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be an 8. Alright. Alright. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 2. Alright. Alright. 4. 6, let me see, 6, and 8. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes in this big square. So the 8 could be here, could be there. We see there also an 8. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row B3, the only place for the 3 should be there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so 1 number left in the middle column. This number should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Alright. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6 again. 4 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this third row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 1 number left in the first row for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this last column for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 4 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, correct. 15 to 20 minutes I need to solve for 2 stars. So I like this one. Yes, I really do. And do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, a thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. With 2 given numbers, I believe, so must be a tough one. We will see. See you then. Bye-bye for now.